Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Focus badge. First, you'll want to gather a few key items. You'll need a heat gun or hairdryer, some strong fishing line, and a good adhesive remover. Don't forget painter's tape to protect your car's paintwork. Make sure the area around the badge is clean and completely dry before you begin. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth and damage-free removal and installation process, ensuring a professional finish. Now let's get that old badge off. Use your heat gun on a low setting, warming the badge for about 30 seconds. This softens the adhesive, making it much easier to work with. Next, take your fishing line and gently slide it behind the badge. Use a back and forth, sawing motion to cut through the softened adhesive. Work slowly and steadily, moving the line across the entire badge. Once most of the adhesive is cut, you can carefully pry the badge away. With the old badge removed, the next step is crucial for a perfect new installation. Cleaning. You'll likely have some adhesive residue left behind. Apply your adhesive remover to a soft cloth and gently rub the area until all the sticky bits are gone. After that, use an alcohol-based cleaner to wipe down the surface thoroughly. This ensures there's no grease or wax, providing a perfectly clean and prepped area for your new badge. Let it dry completely. Finally, it's time to install your brand new badge. Carefully peel off the backing from the new badge, exposing the adhesive. Take your time to align it perfectly, making sure it's centered and level. Once you're happy with the placement, press the badge firmly onto the surface. Apply even pressure for about 60 seconds to ensure a strong bond. For the best adhesion, avoid washing your car or exposing the new badge to any moisture for at least 24 hours. Enjoy your refreshed look.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.